Hey guys, welcome to another exciting video, guys. I just want to use this opportunity, guys, to thank you all that have been there for me, guys. You guys has been pushing the community to a higher level. Thumbs up to you guys. Okay, so if this is your first time of watching my video, guys, I would like you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, guys. As we'll be getting more and more of knowledge about the market. Okay, guys. So guys, in this trade, this is crash 500 index. This is 15 minutes time frame. Yeah. Those of you that have been following me, you know how we do it. Okay. When I go in for a trade, I comes up and tell you the reason why I go in for the trade, either from the beginning of the trade or probably whenever I feel it dim. Okay. So guys, in this signal that I dropped in my group, which I'm still gonna show you, what happens here is that the market has been in a downtrend. Okay. If you have not known how to know your trend, okay, you can watch one of my previous videos. I explain it very much. Okay. um Market structure and trend following. Okay, so back to business. The market has been in downtrend, guys. So from this 15-minute time frame, when it got to this very point, the market started retracing back up. So when it was going back up, I discovered that there is a very strong resistance at this very level here. Okay, where the market made the first rejection and also made this one. So in between these very points here in the market, there is a very strong resistance. Yeah, at this very area. Okay, so notwithstanding, guys, having known that, so what I did was like that was not just a confirmation. So I tried to get the psychological level. Remember, this is crash 500. I also have teach how to get a psychological level of crash. So I get the psychological level of 7630 level. Okay, I got this psychological level of 7630 level. So I have to wait for the market to come up to this very level. When it comes to this very level and I see rejection, what happens is that I switch to my 1 minute time frame, which is my entry. Yeah, our entry for boom and crash is always 1 minute. Okay, so when I watch the 1 minute time frame, I saw the market making a kind of double top um pattern. Okay, which we can call M pattern. Okay, so I saw the market making such pattern. So when the market makes such pattern, the second leg, after the spike of the second leg, I gave out the signal to my group. Okay, but you know what, guys, when I gave out the signal, our SL is 15 candle as usual. Sorry, but what happened is that the drawdown we had was just only one single candle at this very point. Only one single candle before the spike started occurring. Boom. And here we are right now in the market, guys. This strategy is very, very simple, guys. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. All you just have to do is understand what you are looking at for. Okay, guys, understand what you're looking at for. You're waiting for the market to retest a resistance level for crash. Okay, you're waiting for the market to retest a resistance level. Now at that very resistance level, get a psychological level that corresponded to that very resistance level, and the psychological level goes in tens. Okay, so the nearest psychological level here is 7610. So once you've got that, wait for the market to come back there again. This is purely price action, guys. This is purely price action using support and resistance. Okay, so if you are on boom, the same thing is applicable. You get your support level, wait for it to retest the support level, then get the psychological level that correspond with the very support level. You are good to go. So here is resistance. So the first thing I did, remember, was to get my resistance level. After getting my resistance level, now I had to pull in my horizontal line to get my psychological level, which is 7610. So when the market returned to my psychological level and gives me a rejection, I switch to the 1 minute time frame, which is my entry. So when I switch to my minute time frame, I saw a chart pattern, which is a double top. Okay, so having said that and having seen that, I had to make my entry at this very point. Okay, after this very candle spike, completing this second leg. So why I said that this is a double top, guys, most of you will be like, it has pushed above your psychological level of 76.30. Yeah, it has pushed above it, but the leg of the returning candle is still in that same zone. Remember, this is a zone. This is a zone. Okay, from your 15 minutes time frame, you discover that this is a zone which will draw before. Okay, don't get confused. You see that this is a zone which will draw before. So anything acting inside this very arena is still on our control. Okay, so don't let the 1 minute time frame confuse you. You see that? So the leg of the WM pattern is still inside our zone. Okay, remember when I talk about support and our resistance level, I try to talk about zone. I'm not talking about just a line. Okay, I'm talking about zone. When I mean by a zone, I mean an area of space which is being covered. Okay, which most times what I used to determine it is from the wick of the candle to the body of the candle. But here there was twice rejection. There was twice rejection, so that's why the zone had to be a little bit more wider. Okay, because I'm covering this first rejection and the second rejection, they are very close. Okay, guys. So I'm taking my time to explain this so that you guys can understand this concept very well. Once you come up to the chart, guys, mark out your nearest resistance for crash. Okay, then put out your horizontal line. Once you pull it out, wait for the market to retest again. When it retests, get the psychological level which correspond to that very level. Okay, the nearest psychological level here, which is this 76.30. Okay, once you got that, wait for the market to approach to it. Once the market approach to it, guys, you can wait for rejection. Okay, in your 1 minute time frame, get your rejection in your 1 minute time frame. Once you get that rejection, boom, you go in, you are good to go. That's all. The strategy is very, very simple, guys. It's very, very simple. You don't need to stress out yourself. You don't need to pull much indicators in your chart. You don't need to crack your head much. Okay, so that is it, guys. It's very, very simple. Just two tools that you need. Okay, just two tools that you need. Get your resistance level for a crash, get your support level for a boom, then check out the psychological level that correspond to that very resistance. Okay, guys, apply proper risk management. Guys, you can backtest this strategy by yourself. You can backtest this by yourself. Remember, no strategy works 100%. Yeah, no strategy works 100%. That is why you must apply proper risk management for you to be able to sustain in this very business. You must apply proper risk management. Don't let your emotion take you to go in all, okay, without reserving your capital. Okay, so you must understand how to reserve your capital as a trader, protect your capital. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it, guys. This very thing is very, very simple. Okay, the best strategy to catch spike and boom and crash. This is the best strategy to catch spike and boom. The best price action strategy, because you don't need to overthink, overstudy, and overthink. Just understand it, backtext it. You discover that this is the best boom and crash spike catcher strategy. Okay, so that is it, guys. So before I go, guys, let me show you guys. It was a signal, actually. Yeah, here is it. It was a signal. It's not a screenshot. It was a signal. Those of you that have been following me should know this by now. This was a signal. This is a group. Okay, so this is my premium group. Okay, so it was a signal that was dropped. You see where we made the entry. Okay, this was where we made the entry, as I told you guys. Okay, this is what we've made so far from the market, and the market is still pushing down. So that is it, guys. So see you guys